What if a few $100s today could turn into life-changing money by the end of 2025? Imagine waking up with 1000x returns from one of these early overlooked tokens. Sounds wild, right? But it's not impossible. In this video, I'm diving into 7 tiny cryptos that are all trading under the radar right now. Each one has real tech, strong use cases, and a market cap small enough that even a modest wave of adoption could send it flying. I'm not talking about hype or meme coins. These are serious projects with serious potential, and 2025 might be the year they go vertical. But before we continue with the video, I just want to say, if you're looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto, I personally use WEEX. It's reliable, has deep liquidity, super low fees, and a massive selection of coins. Right now, you can claim up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses and trade with up to 400x leverage. Best part? No KYC required. Use the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonus today. Now let's get into it. First up is BloFin, ticker BCAN. This project is all about real-world asset tokenization. Basically, it takes things like real estate, private equity, even music rights, and turns them into tradable digital tokens on the blockchain. Imagine owning a piece of a building or startup from your phone without the legal headache. That's what BloFin is enabling. It's live on multiple chains like Ethereum, Polygon, Base, and BNB chain. The BKN token is used to pay platform fees, stake for governance, and access token offerings. As of 2025, BKN is trading at around 24 cents, with a market cap of about $17.6 million. But here's the interesting part. Its total value locked is over $35 million, meaning real assets are already being tokenized on the platform. Back in January, they raised $2.5 million from VCs like SNZ, Salian, Mocha Ventures, and more. And they've already tokenized more than $250 million in assets across 14 countries. Multiple prediction models point to moderate growth in 2025, with targets between 27 cents and 46 cents, depending on adoption. But if asset tokenization truly takes off, and that's a multi-trillion-dollar market, BCAN could easily be a 100x sleeper. With such a low market cap and a real product, it's one to keep an eye on. Next is Medicaid, or Macade. This one's for the gamers. Medicaid is building a decentralized arcade, a GameFi ecosystem where users can play, build, earn, and vote. The idea is to put the power of game development into the hands of the community. Macade is the fuel for this whole thing, used for staking, rewards, tournaments, governance, and even token burns based on activity. The token is currently sitting at around $0.0155, with a market cap just under $30 million. And while that may sound small, this project raised over $16 million in pre-sale, and its community is growing fast. Predictions for 2025 range from 4 cents to over 6 cents, depending on user growth and whether they roll out their game launchpad as planned. With the Web3 gaming sector gaining momentum again, Macade could ride the next wave hard, especially if they lock in a few solid partnerships or platform-exclusive games. Moving on to OpenServe. This one might sound technical, but it's actually very simple. OpenServe is building a marketplace for AI agents. Think of it like Fiverr, but for artificial intelligence. Developers can launch AI agents, users can hire them, and Serve is the currency that powers it all. What makes it unique is that it allows multiple AI agents to work together, and you don't need to know how to code to use them. The Serve token is used for accessing SDKs, governance, and paying for AI tasks. It's currently trading around $0.037, with a market cap around $25 million. Since its IDO in late 2024, it's already done nearly a 30x return, but it's still small compared to its competitors in the AI space. Predictions for 2025 put the token between 8 cents and 12 cents, depending on how fast the agent ecosystem grows. If AI agents really go mainstream, especially in business automation, Serve could become a backbone layer in that future. It's risky, but the upside is massive. Next up is Dynex, ticker DNX. This one's a bit of a hidden gem in the computing space. Dynex is building decentralized neuromorphic computing. In simpler terms, it lets people rent out their GPU power to help run advanced AI computations, and in return, they earn DNX tokens. But instead of just mining crypto, your hardware is doing actual useful work, which they call proof of useful work. It's being used for AI, machine learning, and even scientific research. The token is currently priced around $0.036, with a market cap under $4 million. That's tiny, What's crazy is that Dynex won multiple innovation awards in 2024 and early 2025, including recognition from Fast Company and WeTech Awards. Their roadmap includes scaling GPU compute power, increasing user rewards, and launching new research tools. Some analysts are predicting a price of 10 cents to 15 cents by the end of 2025, a 3x to 5x from here. But if it gains any kind of institutional backing or long-term commercial use, the ceiling could be way higher. Let's talk about Decide AI, ticker DCD. This one is trying to fix one of the biggest problems in AI, how models are trained and governed. Decide AI is a decentralized protocol for training large language models, kind of like ChatGPT, but run by the community. Users contribute training data, label it, and even help reinforce the learning process, all in exchange for DCD tokens. It runs on the Internet Computer Blockchain, which helps with performance and verification. Right now, DCD is trading around $0.013, with a market cap under $7 million. Their ecosystem is still in early stages, but they've made big strides with proof of personhood and human feedback loops. If community-led AI becomes a thing, and let's be honest, it probably will, Decide AI could be at the center of that movement. Predictions for 2025 vary widely, with conservative models calling for 3 cents and more optimistic outlooks aiming at 7 cents or even 10 cents if it gains developer traction. Number 6 is Lumerin, ticker LMR. This project is quietly building infrastructure that could support everything from Bitcoin mining to AI data flows. Lumerin is a protocol that lets people buy and sell hash power, basically renting out mining energy, in a decentralized marketplace. But it goes beyond just mining. Their roadmap includes routing data streams, compute power, and even video or audio infrastructure using the same peer-to-peer model. The token LMR is used to pay for these services and for staking on the network. Right now, it's trading around $0.0033, with a market cap of about $2 million. And yet, they're already seeing daily trading volumes of over $100,000. Their staking pools offer decent APYs, and their ecosystem is live, not just theoretical. Price targets for 2025 sit between 1 cent and 3 cents, depending on adoption. That might not sound like much, but even at 2 cents, that's a 6x return from here. If hash power and compute marketplaces go mainstream, LMR could be positioned for a breakout. And finally, Alvara Protocol, ticker ALVA. This one might be the most DeFi native of the group. Alvara lets users build and share tokenized asset baskets, basically creating your own on-chain mini ETF. Let's say you're good at picking tokens. You can build a basket, share it with others, and if people invest in it, you earn fees. Everything is governed by their native token, ALVA. The platform supports ERC 7621, which is a new standard for these kinds of dynamic baskets. Right now, ALVA trades around 15 cents, with a market cap hovering near $10 million. Their leaderboard shows active users building and promoting their baskets, and the performance is fully transparent. It's basically DeFi meets social investing. By late 2025, analysts see this one going to 40 cents to 60 cents if the user base grows and the ETF model takes off. If the team continues shipping and more creators jump on board, Alva could carve out a very profitable niche in the on-chain asset management space. So what do all of these coins have in common? They're early, they're undervalued, and they're tackling real-world problems with actual utility, whether it's tokenizing assets, coordinating AI agents, or letting you build your own DeFi fund. Each of these has a story that could lead to 10x, 100x, or even more. But let's be real, not all of them will hit. This is high risk, high reward territory. That's why I always say never go all in. Use small positions, dollar cost average, and take profits on the way up. Which one of these projects stands out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.